Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown. Basically, we're about halfway done with our corn, fully done with soybeans, just finished up organic corn last night. Our auger is broke about half dozen times, combine's broke about a half dozen times, grain cart's been down a couple times. So we're trying to make it a little more efficient. We've borrowed a local auger from down the road here, and we're going to try and make it where we don't have to fix our auger anymore. And we got about 80-90 more acres of corn left to go, and you guys are gonna see it. Yeah, so let's just go. They're getting the auger set up now and the grain cleaner and everything, so let's go see what we gotta do. So as you can see, they got the elevator or the auger already set up. Tractor's sitting here to go on it, and the grain cleaner looks set up, so they're just basically gotta get that wagon back in so we can unload with the grain cart. So yeah. So I'm just gonna set this up as a time lapse while we get set up. Alright, so we got the wagon set up. They're just hooking up because the auger that we're borrowing has a motor on it to run itself, so they're trying to get it hooked up into the breaker box that we already have. And other than that, we're going to be set to go. The fan has been running all night because we were going to fire the burner up last night, and then the auger broke. So we got the grain cart behind me that's fully full of corn, heaping full. It's really full, and we're going to put that in the bin, and then probably while we're unloading it, we're going to kick the burner on and let it heat up. And then we're gonna start drying corn, drying organic corn. Yeah, we just got some stuff to do around the farm while the grain's drying. Like my greenhouse collapsed back there, so customer support sent me out a replacement. So I'm just gonna replace all the bad pipes, and I got an idea to make it where it won't do the same thing again. We got cleaning in the shop. I gotta do some finish work in my shed. So a lot of stuff that needs to be done, and hopefully we'll get some done today. So I'm gonna see what's up next, and then we'll come back to the recording. Alright, so we just moved this truck behind me from in there. We ran it around the barn and parked it there so that we can have a spot to pull the combine in tonight, because I guess the rain starts tomorrow and we gotta have the combine indoors. Uncle Billy is working on the motor. Yeah, it's 3-phase, and it's on high voltage because the place we got it from is an industrial place and it has higher voltage than us. So we're in the middle of rewiring the motor down to low voltage, so we're not. Alright, so we've just ruled out that we're not going to be running any corn today, so Dad is cleaning out. There's some piles of beans where that truck was because we had to go through it and sort out the beans out of it, and he's gonna clean them out. I'm gonna drop the head on the combine, and then we're gonna pull it in there, you know. So no running corn today, so you're not gonna see anything in this video of us combining. Just hopefully loading the bin. Uncle Billy's still over there working on that. Hopefully he can have it done by the time we got this in the shed. Waiting on Dad to finish cleaning. Oh, just barely fit. Their back end. Hate only having one mirror on this thing. We are in the barn. Alright, so we've just put the combine in the shed. Uncle Billy's got a buddy his out working on the motor, so I am running and making a drink run because Dad is thirsty and he gave me money. Alright, so we are in my hope to be packing room, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick look. This is the door, and yeah, around we got insulation in most of the wall area, at least in this end and over here, because I wanted to start sheeting. We're using this plastic, and it's white on one side, and we're putting the white side out because I, one, couldn't afford plywood. Plywood's expensive. And two, we are going to hopefully be growing microgreens over here, so we need as much light as possible. So the white will help the microgreens in their growing stages. So I'm wanting to try and finish this today, this wall anyway. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna turn this on a time lapse, and let's go. There it is, the first wall of the shed sheeted. We got 3 more bats of insulation that we got to put in on this wall before we can do anything else. And I don't have the razor blade to cut that insulation, so that's gonna have to wait till probably Monday. Today's Saturday. I'm not gonna. I might not be here tomorrow afternoon, but if I am, you guys will be here with me, and we'll get those 3 bats done. And I'm gonna do this different. I didn't take the roll and cut it before, and I think I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna try and roll it back up as far as I can, and then make a straight cut, and then measure how wide I need it. I think they got the auger going over there. I heard it start up while I was walking over here. I had to borrow Dad's knife to... I have my knife, but I forgot it. Dad is now scraping the big heifer barn, now a steer barn, but it used to be a heifer barn. Dad's over there getting ready to scrape, or he is scraping them out. That's it for the shed today. We got good amount of work done on that. It's time to fill the grain bin. I got the tractor warming up, and we're gonna pull the cart over there and start unloading. Alright, so I just got the cart fully emptied out. So what's left in the wagon is all we got left to go in the bin. The burner is already on the bin. It's preheating, so to say. It's basically heating up to temperature. After that, I think it's just doing chores and going home. Alright guys, so got the gravity wagon done, and now we're heading out. The dryer's running. The first batch of grain, or the grain's up to temperature, and it's circulating now. So we're drying, and hopefully it'll be done within the next couple days.